If you're traveling to Porto, be prepared to walk up and down a lot. The city is built on the steep slopes along the Douro River. While these ups and downs can make walking in Porto a bit of a workout, they also offer some of the best viewpoints. After the Crystal Gardens, we went straight to Ribeira Square. It is basically the very heart of Porto, the historic city centre and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The square was a key part of Porto's commercial activity, where merchants gathered to trade goods brought via the Douro River. The square is surrounded by traditional Portuguese buildings, many adorned with colorful ceramic tiles. From the square, it's easy to explore other Ribeira attractions such as riverboat tours, Luís I Bridge, and others. Behind me is the famous bridge, the most famous bridge in Porto. There are several, of course. This one was created by Gustav Eiffel, and Eiffel is not a coincidence. It's the same architect who designed the Eiffel Tower in Paris. So the bridge has a double-deck structure. The lower part is for pedestrians and the upper part is like basically for everything. It's a bit spooky, I would say, because when trains come by, it's kind of shaky. I don't know, but it's worth a try. If you are at the lower level, you can pay €5 for a cable car to go up or take the stairs. We chose the second option and it took us around 5 to 10 minutes to be at the top. Also, if you don't want to cross the bridge, it's still worth coming there because of those panorama views that open in basically every direction. I also came across Claus Porto on the internet that turned out to be a luxurious soap shop in Porto. It is one of Portugal's oldest beauty and fragrance houses. Apart from different products, they have a small museum upstairs that you can visit for free. The cheapest soap we saw was around €9. Claus Porto is known for its distinctive fragrances, often inspired by Portugal's landscapes and flora, so it might be a nice gift for someone. And of course, the market, one of the most iconic landmarks in Porto. Hello.
Hello.
We are visiting the market today. As you can see, a lot of food and everything. So we're going to try some specialties. Bolhão is a historic market in the heart of Porto, known for its fresh produce and traditional foods. You'll find Portuguese specialties like bacalhau, salt cod, olives, and cheeses. We also noticed that stands with freshly made pasta on cheese and couldn't help but buy some. Generally, it's a great place to eat, to buy something for later, or even find local handmade souvenirs. There are also several restaurants on the upper level, but from our observations, they were a bit pricey. And this was our day in Porto. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.